Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki and im Deputy Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu don go perform their civic duty for their different voting centre for the local government elections wey shele on Saturday, September 2nd, 2023. The Governor Godwin Obaseki carry waka go im polling unit wey be Unit 28, Ward 4 for Emokpai Modern Primary School for Oredo local government to cast im vote, and after im cast im vote finish, Oga Obaseki come tell tori pipo say dis na the most peaceful and credible election, and say e never hear any gbasgbos since the election start today, and say e dey okay with Edo State Independent Electoral Commissioner as belle sweet am wella for the process. For Ward 11 for Isako West Local Government for Azama Primary School J2, wey be the voting centre for Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, who described the election as peaceful, calm and most important of all the elections. According to Shaibu, the local government elections dey very important to the people sake of say na im be the only election wey affect the people directly for grassroots. E come talk say belle sweet am wella as the process go well without any wahala.
Looking at my own unit here, in J2, Unit 5, you can see that the regular turnout is here in my unit, and what is most critical is that it is peaceful and everybody is conducting himself in a peaceful manner, and I'm also seeing excitement. And don't forget that council election is the closest to the people, to the grassroots, so they take it very seriously. The state election, federal election, most time they are voting for people that are a little bit far from where they reside. But council election, the councillor live with them at their ward, so they know each other, they relate with each other, they can relate with him. So it's a grassroots election that I always see excitement and from the masses, because for them they are voting for themselves, people they can touch, reach. They can walk to their houses and they see every day, because this guy lives with them. So I'm happy so far that my own unit, like I said, I can speak about my unit. My unit for now, I can see that it's peaceful.
The local government election shele for the 192 wards for the 18 local governments of the state, sake of say the last chairman and councillors 3-year tenure end for the middle of 2021. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From TMC TV studio, A. Carter Ojisele, TMC TV News.